Hey, it's Jason over Kurt's Truck World in Chesapeake. Sorry, a little bit of traffic, so it might be a little noisy, but showing some of the trucks we have out here. Got a whole bunch of Rams, F-150s, GMCs, Chevys, regular cab, full-size cab, quad cab, but 2 4-wheel drive. Got utility vehicles, utility trucks, cargo vans. There's Dave. Couple more Chevys. Got a Sport F-150 5.0 V8. It's fun to drive. Big Orange Ram, Tundra TRD. Come by and check them out. Kurt's Truck World in Virginia Beach. KurtzTruckWorld.com, or give us a call 757-523-6404.